If you're looking for the easiest way to build a dropshipping store in minutes, then this video is made for you. Seriously though, if you want to start dropshipping today, then follow along because by the end of the video, you'll have your store built and pre-populated with trending products that you can immediately start selling. And the best part, this AI store builder is completely free. If you try to build your store yourself, you'll likely spend hours and hours making a mediocre looking store that does not convert. Instead, just click on the link in the description and follow the prompts for a professional, optimized, and ready to go store custom built for you for free. Okay, so now I'm going to take you guys through the entire store build process, starting with that link in the description down below. I do suggest doing this on desktop since it is a bit easier to follow along. And yeah, we'll go through the whole process step by step. And later on in this video, I'll show you how you can actually build these products using Zendrop, where you'll get $200 of order credits. So yes, that's basically free cash. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is click on that link down below. It's going to take you to this exact landing page. And what we're going to do is enter in our email. Once we do that, we'll click access. It's going to have you enter in your name and a password. We'll check this box and click access. And essentially what I'll do is I'll take you guys through all of these different steps. We'll build the store, we'll get the supplier, we'll go through the steps to make your first sale, as well as potentially run TikTok ads if you want. So we'll click on step one. And essentially we're going to go through all of these different options. So the first thing we'll do is set your store color. For this build, I'll choose black, click done. We'll now choose two different banners that we want to use. Let's go ahead and use this one and this one. Click done. The next step is to create an account on Shopify. This is going to be required for any store. So we'll follow these instructions here. Basically, we'll click access Shopify. So we'll click on that. It's going to open up a new tab. We'll enter in our email address, click start free trial. We'll actually just skip all of this for now. So click skip all. Where will your business be located? I'm in the US, so I'll select that, but feel free to choose accordingly. Click next. So once you've done that, we'll go back to our original tab and we will click done. The next step is to connect our new store to the Ecom Express platform. This is going to allow the AI builder to actually build our store for us. This part can get a little bit complicated, but I'll take you through it. So essentially what we're going to do is click on access Shopify. It's going to open up this tab. And what we'll do is we will copy this exact URL. It's going to look something like admin.shopify.com/store/something. Copy that, come back here, paste it here, and then click save. After that, we'll click done. The next step is to actually subscribe to Shopify, which is required. Basically, we'll select the basic plan, which is the cheapest plan. And what we'll do is come here to access Shopify plans. It's going to open up a new tab. We'll keep this as monthly just to save some money for now. Click confirm billing cycle. We'll enter in our business address. So this can just be your personal address. Enter all this information, click save address. We'll select a payment method. And just note, they're not actually going to charge us until the end of the 3-day free trial. After that, it's just $1 for the first month and then the normal pricing after that. So all that information can be found right here. We'll select credit or debit card or just choose whatever you want. Once we have the payment method entered in, what we'll do is click on subscribe. Okay, so after we do that, we're going to go back to our original tab and we'll click done right here. Now we're actually going to connect the Ecom Express app to our Shopify store. So what we'll do is come down here. So this section is a little bit more complicated, but we'll click on this button right here. We're going to click allow custom app development. We'll click that button again right here. We'll click create an app. We will copy ecom.express into it just like this. You'll be able to access that text right here. Click create app. Next, we'll click on this button right here, configure admin API scopes. Here, we're going to make sure that we select every single box we can. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I've checked all those boxes and I'll click save. Now this is going to actually give that builder permission to build our store for us. Now I'll go back to this original tab, click done. And now we're going to validate the authorization. Feel free to follow these steps, but I'll show you how to do it. We'll click access Shopify app screen. It's going to take us to this page. We'll click on ecom.express. We'll click install app. We'll click install. Now it's going to give us this admin API access token. So I'm going to click reveal token once. We'll go ahead and copy this code. We'll come back here, paste that token in this field, click save, and then we'll click done. Now this is a free store builder, but there is an option to get a premium store theme. If you're just starting out, you don't necessarily need this, but if you're willing to invest a little bit of money, it can definitely be worth it. It does come with a few other goodies, so feel free to choose this if you want. But just for this demo, I'll click on skip. And now what we'll do is click on customize my store. This is going to take about 1 minute, but after that, we'll click on done right here. So the next step is to actually add 20 winning products to your store, and this is included in this whole funnel. Once you add these, you can immediately start selling them. So I'll show you how to do that. What we'll do is click on add products to your store. And yeah, hopefully you guys have seen this is just so much easier than building your store yourself. Yes, you can build your store manually. You you can go through different themes and customize everything. But having the store builder with the free products and all that stuff just makes it so much easier. What we'll do is we'll click on this right here. It's going to start adding the products to your store, and we'll click done. So now if you actually want to start making sales, we're going to have to publish our store. So we'll click on this button right here, uncheck this box that says restrict access to visitors with the password. So we'll uncheck this and then click save. Come back here to this tab and click done. Now we're going to configure our checkout process. I just recommend using Shopify payments. We'll click access Shopify. It's going to open up a tab. Click on settings down at the bottom left. We'll go to payments, and what we're going to do is complete account setup. You're basically going to submit some information about you and your business. So we'll click on this. You'll most likely be an individual, so we'll select that. Click next. To actually accept payments, you're going to have to enter in your own information, including your social security number, email, phone, residential address. You're also going to have to enter in your store details and then review all that to make sure it's correct. Once you do all that, return back to this page and we'll click done. And yeah, that means your store is done being built, and we'll click access my store. And this is what it currently looks like. So this is a high converting theme. It's optimized. Of course, we can absolutely customize how we want it to look. We can remove sections, add different sections. We can also add different pages. We can feature different products on the homepage. But for now, this is a great start. We'll go back to this tab, click on done. And now we're going to be working on the supplier step, which is extremely important, because yes, this is how you actually fulfill and ship customers' orders to their home. So we'll click on choosing your supplier. We'll be using Zendrop for this. It's the best. What we'll do is we'll click on this button right here, create a free account in Zendrop. It's going to open up this page right here. I definitely recommend taking advantage of this because you get a free 7-day trial. You'll get 50% off for 3 months, as well as that $200 in free order credits. That's essentially just free cash for you to spend on products for your customers. You also get access to Zendrop Academy, which is so crucial to get, because if you actually want to turn this into a business and get your first sale, having that academy and mentorship is going to make all the difference. So we'll go ahead and enter in our information here. Once you enter that, we'll click sign up now, and cool. We'll come back to this page, click done. And now let's connect our store to Zendrop. We'll click on connect your store to Zendrop, click on install, and this is going to open up the Zendrop dashboard. We'll come back here, click on done. Let's click on access my orders. When you make a sale, all those orders are going to show up right here on your dashboard. And yes, it's blank right now, but if you guys actually go through the academy and start making sales, then yeah, this is going to be pretty filled up. It's going to be really exciting to see. Let's go back to our original page, click done. This basically shows you how to link products to Zendrop when you actually make a sale. So if I come back here to my dashboard, what we can do is click on find products. You can pretty much sell anything you want with Zendrop, and we can browse through here, look for things that seem interesting. We can even come here to trending products. These are products that are currently selling really well with Zendrop, right? Like they have a ton of data. They know exactly what's selling well. So you can literally just come here, get inspiration. Let's say we want to sell this product right here. I can click on this to learn more about it. It's going to show you the product cost. We'll have a description right here. It's going to have some images already. And if you come down here, it's going to show you all the detailed costs, shipping, as well as the total price over here. So essentially, if you want to sell this, we'll click add to my products. Then we can come here to my products. You'll now see that this product is here. Click on review and publish. We can select the product name. I'll just leave it as is. We can change the description, but it is pre-populated with information. Here are the variants that come with this product, as well as the different images. So we'll just leave that as is. And we will click publish to my store. Click confirm here. And yeah, since Zendrop is connected to our Shopify store, we can see it's immediately linked. And now if we come here to our store, go to products, you can see these are the pre-populated products that we got with the Ecom Express funnel. And if we come down here, we can find that product that we just added. Click on this. Here's where we can actually edit the description, title, all this stuff. And if you want to delete the product, you can absolutely do that, or you can archive it as well. This is what this listing looks like on search engines. And yeah, I just recommend go through Zendrop, look through all the different products that you want to sell, add some more to your store, play around with them, maybe send your store link to some friends to see if anyone wants to buy your product. But yeah, I'm a huge fan of Zendrop. You can find products that ship from internationally or also from the US for faster shipping. You can browse by different categories. You can browse by price range. And if you want to sell a product that's not currently offered on Zendrop, you can go to the AliExpress import tool, find that product on AliExpress, import it in, and Zendrop will source that product for you. Zendrop Academy is also extremely important. That's why I encourage you guys to stay on with the Plus plan. If we click on that button and click continue with Zendrop, we'll click authorize. This is going to bring you to the Academy where we can access all the videos, the coaching, and yes, they have live coaching sessions, which is really great. And so what I recommend doing is if you actually want to start getting consistent sales, you are much more likely to do that with ongoing support and mentorship. So watch all the videos that they have. They go really really in-depth on dropshipping. They have courses on scaling with ads, on building your store, optimization, all that stuff. And I really encourage you to also attend their live coaching sessions. These are hosted by dropshipping experts, so you'll learn a ton. And you can actually get your questions answered by them directly. We can go back to the Ecom Express funnel, click done, go through these steps because it does take you step by step through making your first sale and how everything works. I'm not going to go through this for now, but definitely go through it. Next, we'll click on TikTok ads. I'm going to really briefly brush up on this. This is a little bit more intermediate. It's something that you will want to do at some point, but you do get some free TikTok ad credits if you use this link here. We'll click on create TikTok account, scroll down here, enter in your email and password, click continue, and that's going to take you through the whole sign up process, which is very quick. To learn more about actually doing TikTok ads, I just recommend coming here to Zendrop Academy, clicking TikTok ads, and then going through this course. Now you're probably wondering, what if I want to customize my Shopify store? That's quite easy. I actually have other videos on this channel for that. But if we come back to our Shopify dashboard, click on online store, and then click customize here, this is going to take us to the Shopify store builder, which is extremely intuitive to use. Watch one of my other videos on this channel if you want a more detailed tutorial on this, but it's very intuitive to use. Yeah, essentially anything you want to change, you can click on it. For example, if we want to change this image right here, we can click that, click change, select a different image. If you want to add a section, you can come here, click add section, choose from any of the pre-made sections. So for example, let's do newsletter. We can change the title, the description, change the order as well by dragging. Yeah, it's very, very easy to do. You do want to make sure that your store looks good on mobile as well. So make sure it looks optimized here. Of course, you can go to settings and play around with all this stuff here. Once you're done making changes, just click save. We'll click on exit. If you want to add different pages, click on pages here, click add page. You can change the navigation menu here. And yeah, Shopify is the most popular e-commerce platform. It's what most dropshippers, as well as many other big e-com stores use. If you guys follow along with this video, you'll have a working dropshipping store. And as you guys saw, it is so easy. You can literally send your store link to your friends, to your audience, and they can immediately start to buy these products. So yes, you can of course build your store manually. I'll have a link to Shopify for that if you want to do that. But just to save you guys hours and hours of your time, you might as well just go through this funnel, get the store built for you using AI, get those top 20 products added to your store, start fulfilling products through Zendrop, and then continue learning using Zendrop Academy. If I were starting out today, this is exactly what I would do. And guys, seriously, you have so many great tools out there that make this whole process way easier than it was even just a few years ago. So definitely take advantage of it, save yourself some time, and just go through this funnel to get your free custom built store. Oh, and those $200 of free store credits, once you're an actual paying customer for Zendrop, they'll literally give you $200 that you can spend on products for your customers. So for example, let's say you want to sell this ice cube maker. You put this on your website. Let's say someone buys it for $30. Instead of paying $14.87 to fulfill the product, that $200 will literally cover this cost for you. So you'll have 100% profit margins for those first products you sell. Anyways, I hope you guys got a ton of value from this video. If you have any friends that want to start dropshipping or want to build their first online e-commerce store, share this video with them and show them how easy it was to make your first store. If you haven't already, just go to the start of this video, follow along, and I really hope you guys can take action today. If you got any value from this video, please consider giving this video a like, comment your thoughts down below, and also subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. I do a ton of videos about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.